Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel and thanks for tuning in again. It has been a while here, so guys, we'll be cutting and sewing the comfy hijab today. Before I dive right into the video, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. So guys, fold your fabric into two like so, get your tape and get whatever you want to use to chalk your fabric. So this is it. I'll be measuring 26 inches for the length, for the front length, and I'll be using 29 inches for the back length. Here I'm trying to measure my back length measurement, which is 29. Do not forget 26 inches for the front and 29 inches for the back length. So I'll measure out my 29 inches. Then I'll come back to the midpoint here and measure 20 inches for the midpoint. Don't forget that midpoint is going to be at the sides of the hijab. Once I'm done measuring, I will try to chalk small at the back, then I'll come back to the front here, then I'll measure like 15 inches. The 15 inches is meant for where I style my hijab at the front, do not forget. Then after measuring the 15 inches, you come down and measure 10 inches in that side. Don't forget 10 inches in that side. You're going to chalk it out. After making the chalked part obvious, then I'll come down here and measure the 15 inches till the 10 inches I measure at the bottom of the fabric. The 15 inches I measure earlier, I will measure whatever remains from the bottom part to the 15 inches and chalk it round to the 10 inches. I don't know, maybe you understand. So then I'll try to make some kind of shape. Now you are going to follow me for making this particular shape, because this shape does not get any measurement, so you just have to watch closely and see how I shape it out. I thought the shaping is obvious now. Then I'm going to get rid of the excess, the remaining fabric. So I'm going to get rid of it. Then I will cut out the shaped part. You should be able to see the shaped part. So you can also follow how I cut it too, so that you will not make any mistake trying to get the shape. After cutting it out, this is what we have. You can see the shape. This is how it's supposed to be when you finish cutting. Then I'll move to the hijab cap. So this is what I'll be using to make my hijab cap. I'll fold into 4 like so. Then I'm going to measure 7 inches for the length and 4 inches for the width. After cutting it out, this is what we have, and don't forget to notch the midpoint of your hijab cap. So this is it. Then I'll be moving to my sewing machine. The first thing I'll be doing is to fix my hijab cap. Then I'll measure out the circumference and join it. So from there, I will join to that side. Then I will leave space in that triangle part, in that narrow part. I'm not going to sew the narrow part. So this is how I sew it. As you can see, I stop there, then I continue in the other side too. So that's it. I'm going to turn it to the right part now. If you are finding it difficult to turn it out, you can make use of your scissors so that everything will come out, like it will not remain any fabric inside. So because I thought I used scissors for my own too, because it was giving me some issues. The narrow side is not coming out, so I have to use my scissors. And this is it. This is the outcome. You can see how nice this is. Then the next thing now is to fold the edges. You can use lace, you can put lace on your own, you can also fold like that. So this is it. I've already folded it. I'll be using this to style my front side of the hijab part. So guys, you can also use buckle for your own too, because that thing I'm holding is buckle. So guys, you can see how I'm going to style my hijab here. You can style it, you can also leave it like that. If you find my video helpful, kindly like, share, comment, and tell people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. To all my returning subscribers, thanks for always coming back. And if you are just coming across this channel for the first time, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, can you see how nice this hijab is? And this is the back. If you don't want to style your own with the buckle, you can just leave it like this, or you put it in like so. I love you all. Bye bye guys.